So here is another question from IBDP MAA HL paper 1 on 15th May 2025. Paper 1, so GDC is not allowed for this question. Here is the question. It says Bob invests 1000 dinar in an account which pays nominal annual interest rate of 4% compounded quarterly. So this is very important because in order to find the total amount, it is given by principal times 1 plus R over 100 times k raised to the power nk. Okay, you are already familiar with this formula, and this formula is also given in the formula booklet as well. Where r is the rate of interest, k is number of times you get interest in an year. Okay, compounded in a year. P is the principal amount. For our question, the final amount after let's say n years will be P is what? 1000 is the principal amount. 1 plus 4, R is 4 divided by 100 times K. What is K value? Because it is compounded quarterly, so we are getting interest 4 times in every year. So 4 raised to the power K is 4. So 4n. So this will be by substituting different values of n, okay, which represent the number of years, we can get the amount after any number of years. Now, let's get back to the question. First part says write down the value of k for this question. What is k? The amount of money in the account after one complete year can be represented by this 1000 times 1 plus k raised to the power 4. Now, after 1 year, it means we have to take n equal to 1 in this expression. So, if I take n equals to 1 in this expression, what will be my value of k? So, I will get k as this thing 4 over 100 times k, right? That is going to be my value. This one is the k if you compare it with this given expression, right? So 1 by 100 in other words, okay? So let's write the value of k. It is 1 by 100. Now expand the simplify the 1 plus x raised to the power 4. So in this case, you can also use the binomial expansion, or you can use the 1 plus x whole squared or a plus b whole squared identity. That will also work. So I'll use the binomial expansion for this problem. So we have 1 plus x raised to the power 4. That using the binomial expansion, and the formula is again given in your formula booklet, you can say it comes out as 4c0 4c0 1 raised to the power 4 plus 4c1 1 raised to the power 3 and x plus 4c2 x squared plus 4c3 x cubed plus 4c4 x raised to the power 4. Now using this NCR formula, we know NCR is given by factorial of n divided by n minus r factorial times r factorial. Okay. On using this, you can see 4c1 comes out as 1. 4c1 comes out as 4, so it will become 4 times x. 4c2, when you simplify this 4c2, you will get 6 x square over here. 4c3 is again 4 only. So 4x cubed, 4c4 is 1, so x to the power 4. This is your expansion. 1 plus 4x plus 6x squared plus 4x cubed plus x to the power 4 is the answer for B part. Now, third part. Hence or otherwise, find the amount of the money in the account after one complete year, giving your answer to the correct nearest dollars. Okay, dinars. So here we have to put n as n equals to 1, right? So it means we can use the same formula, this one. Yes, we can use this one because this gives us the amount after 1 year. And we can use the value of k as 1 by 100 as we already have it. So we get the final amount after 1 year, it is 1000 times this 1 plus 1 by 100 whole raised to the power 4th. So I will substitute x as 1 in this expression, as you can see, right? Here you can compare it. In place of x, I can put 1 by 100. So I will get 1000 times 1 plus 4 by 100 plus next one is what? 6. So 6 by 100 squared and so on. See, Here we have 4 by 100 cubed, right? Plus 1 by 100 raised to the fourth. These are the terms. But if you see, we have to find the answer to the nearest dinar. This number is very, very small. This number is also small. And when you multiply everything with the what 1000 also, you can check it. Okay. So we got 1000 plus 4 times 10 plus 6 by 10 and some values in decimals. Okay, I'm not writing these numbers. 4 by this, right? 4 times 1000 by 100 cube and 1000 divided by 100 raised to the power 4. No need to write that. Okay, these are very small numbers. So we got our answer as 1000 plus 40 plus 0.6. So we can write our answer in correct up to what nearest dollar we have to write. Okay, so it is actually 1040.6, and to the nearest dinar, not dollar, sorry, dinar, it will be 1041. Okay, that's the answer. Okay.